Alright, y'all, this is Dominoes 7 here, okay? Well, you know what? I'm still dying eggs right now, okay? But anyway, before I go back downstairs and dye some eggs, there's something I want to talk about, okay? It's about James Holzhauer, okay? That been playing on Jeopardy for the last couple of weeks, okay? I mean, he is doing an excellent job, you know what I'm saying? Yes, indeed. Yesterday, I should have done a vlog yesterday. You know, after he won, after his game won. Okay, so I want to tell y'all he's doing a damn good job. You know what I'm saying? Excellent, excellent, excellent. But he laid all his chips on the table. I forgot what happened yesterday. He must have lost all his chips. You know. Yeah, he must have did, you know. Okay. So as I was saying, folks, alright. I mean, he laid his chips on the table again for double jeopardy, I think. And then he lift that money up, you know. Every time he gets started on single jeopardy, he starts low, way on the bottom. Okay? So I know I said this before, and I'm going to say it again. The next Tournament of Champions, he going to win the Tournament of Champions. You know what I'm saying? Okay? So, he going to definitely win the next Tournament of Champions. I guarantee y'all that. Do y'all remember that time I predicted that Ciara and Russell Wilson was going to be engaged, get married, and have a baby together? Do y'all remember that? That came true. You know what I'm saying? That definitely came true. You know, and I was very, very proud of myself when I predicted that Ciara and Russell Wilson was gonna get married. I was proud of that because the reason why I predicted that because I knew they did make a cute couple, and you know I love Ciara. You know what I'm saying? All right, skip Ciara right now. Back to James, okay? All right, James doing good. Awesome, you know what I'm saying? Very, 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 very awesome, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and I really enjoyed them, you know. So I must say bravo. And you know what I want to comment about? Alex Trebek said he enjoyed having James on the show. All right, Mr. Trebek, I'm glad you said that. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Won a lot of money over Arthur Chu. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how far you're gonna go. But I mean, I don't know if I should compare him to Ken Jennings or what. You know, maybe I should. You know. And by the way, we should bring back 1 versus 100. You know what I'm saying? I guarantee y'all, James will be on that show. You know, 1 versus 100. Bring back Bob Saget. You know what I'm saying? Let's bring back Bob Saget and 1 versus 100, okay? Austin Rogers will be on there. Buzzy Cohen will be on there. Andrew Powell, you know. Andrew Powell will be on there. I don't know about Greg Soroka. I'll think about that, though. Okay. Okay. So, I mean, I enjoy James, you know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. I'm about to go back downstairs and finish dyeing some eggs all by myself. Okay? Alright, bye.